Subscribing to my YouTube channel, AI Solutions and Software, opens the door to an incredible opportunity for content creators. As a token of appreciation for your support, I'm offering the exclusive Prompt Goldmine and Loaded Language tools for free. These resources are designed to supercharge your content creation process, providing you with a wealth of prompts and language techniques that can elevate your writing and engagement levels. With these tools, you'll be equipped to brainstorm ideas, refine your messaging, and captivate your audience like never before. The process to claim your free tools is straightforward and hassle-free. Simply subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to the videos you enjoy, and leave a comment expressing your interest in receiving Prompt Goldmine and Loaded Language. Once you do that, I'll reach out to you directly to deliver these amazing resources. This is not just about subscribing, it's about joining a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about enhancing their content creation skills. Your engagement is invaluable, and I want to reward you for being part of this journey. Imagine having a treasure trove of prompts at your fingertips, ready to inspire your next blog post, video script, or social media update. Prompt Goldmine offers a diverse range of ideas tailored to various niches. Loaded Language equips you with powerful phrases and expressions that can transform ordinary content into compelling narratives. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your content game. Subscribe today and unlock the potential of your creativity. Here are more details on how these will help you. Prompt Goldmine. These are advanced prompting techniques you will not find anywhere else that force ChatGPT to think and behave differently, so your content ends up sounding totally different than typical AI content. Here are some quick examples. There are over 100 of these. Incorporate restrictions. Challenge ChatGPT by adding constraints. Prompt for reframing. Request that ChatGPT reframes the information in a different way. Focus on outcomes. Direct ChatGPT to focus on the outcomes or consequences. Role play. Ask ChatGPT to respond as if it were a specific character or expert. Use open-ended questions. Avoid yes or no questions to encourage more detailed responses. Chain of thought. Ask ChatGPT to think aloud and provide a step-by-step reasoning process before arriving at an answer. I give you a detailed summary of each of the more than 100 techniques and then examples, so you can get an idea of how to incorporate these into any prompt. Loaded Language. Loaded language is often used in marketing, politics, and media to frame things in a way that resonates emotionally with the audience, guiding them toward a particular viewpoint. When you write using loaded language, it emphasizes whatever you're talking about. I also give you a list of 537 loaded words you can add to your content that is guaranteed to stir either negative or positive emotion from the reader. Use with caution. This is powerful stuff. You get both of these incredible AI content creation tools just for subscribing to AI Solutions and Software. Give me a like and a comment. As soon as I see your comment, I will send you these free tools that would cost you a pretty penny if you had to buy them. I know that these awesome tools have helped me with my content creation, and I'm positive it will help you as well. Click the link in the description, give me a thumbs up and comment so I can send you these amazing tools for free.